Welcome to my laundry room! We are going to declutter all my cleansers. There's a reason. Stay till the end to find out why. Very exciting. But we're going to go through and declutter these. This is a little hack. Put your cleansers over the door on a shoe organizer. I love this, but I won't need as much space for it, and I'll tell you why. Okay, so, hint, it's a very exciting cleanser that does many things, and I can clean many spaces with it. So I decided to go through, get rid of things I will no longer need, and I'm trying to get away from toxic chemicals. I'm not like all green or anything like that. I'd love to be, just not there yet, maybe one day. So these 7th generation method, they all kind of claim to have natural ingredients, which some do, but they also have other chemicals in them. I have found there's a Think Dirty, I think is the app. You can look up just how toxic certain chemicals are. And these are not as good as they claim. I love this for wood. I like the job it does, but I found something else that does multi-surfaces, including wood. So Method, it was my old standby for years, even on bathroom stuff. But we're going to get rid of all of those, all 2 of those. Raid, Wasp and Hornet. Sometimes we get wasps in here. I've never used this, but I am allergic, so sorry, that's staying. Lysol, I just never use this. It's for cleaning anything really. I don't use it. I'm going to get rid of it, and I'm going to make a lot of noise getting rid of it. Barkeeper's Friend, I do like this for like some really stubborn spots, so I will keep that. The stainless steel spray I will not need anymore. Super excited about that because that stuff stinks and I feel like it never does a great job. These disinfecting wipes, I will keep those. It's always good to have it. I'm not giving up the bleach for bathrooms, okay? That's never happening. Bizzle Stomp and Go Pet Stain Lifting Pad. I didn't, if you watched my laundry video or my clean the laundry room video, I didn't even know I had these, and I just have a feeling I'm not going to use them, so I'll give them to my neighbor. Resolve Spot and Stain for newer looking carpets. Okay, so I have Folex, which I don't know if my husband got this. I think he may have. I don't remember getting that. I got Folex, and I heard great things about that. I've used it. It works well, and there's no rinsing. I'm going to keep that. These, I used to use Pledge growing up with my mom. I used to dust. I used to love dusting. That was my job because I loved it. This is a multi-surface one. It's fine, but there is a strong scent. There are chemicals in here. And then the lemon enhancing polish, I noticed this on my sealed wood even can give like a little film. So I'm giving those away. Good old vinegar, keeping vinegar. That is not my replacement though that is good. My husband hates the smell of vinegar, so if I'm cleaning around him, he's like, oh. And lime away. I'll ask my husband if he wants me to keep that or not. I don't ever use it, but I don't know. Oh, this for electronics, I'm going to keep those little wipes, some Swiffers. I will put in the Swiffer box. I don't know how they got there. These I got a long time ago actually. Breaks down grease food, you put them down the drain. I've heard, you shouldn't put stuff down the drain. Like it can ruin the pipes. So maybe I'll ask my hubs about that one if he wants to keep that, but here's a little magic wand. This is a duster, I'm keeping that. Downy wrinkle eraser, I'm gonna get rid of that. That is really old and I have like a more natural one that's in my laundry bucket, little basket. Woolite, Pet and Stain. I don't know why we have so much pets. We don't have pets, guys. I don't know where this stuff comes from. This was Method Daily Granite Cleaner. I'm going to get rid of that. Oh, it feels so good. So far I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 items gone, and then a couple that are maybes. This to clean the blinds, which I actually do use, surprisingly. It's one of those gadgets you don't think you're going to use. Oh, OxyClean. This is laundry stain remover. I actually didn't know that was here, so that's lovely. Wait, hold on. Paper towel. Stitch that. And then handy dandy gloves. Odoban Eliminates odors, disinfectant, fabric, and air freshener. I don't remember ever using this at all. So guess what? It's going bye-bye. If it ain't a heck yes, it's a heck no. The Swiffer Wet Jet. Ask me how many times I've used my Swiffer Wet Jet. Probably twice. I'll get rid of that. My thing is I either vacuum the hardwood floors or I really clean them. I don't really half butt much in life, right? It's like I'm either going for it or I'm not. So the Swiffer Wet Jet probably wasn't a good purchase for me because I like to really do it up or not do it at all and sit and eat a donut. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 items gone. Feels so good. Now, drum roll. I'm going to show you my new cleanser. The moment you've all been waiting for. So I'm giving up all my cleansers for SAL SUDS by Dr. Bronner's. You may have heard about Dr. Bronner's Castilla soap. You can use that as well. This is a little more concentrated, a little stronger, and they have, I'll read the bottle to you, but so far Cora labeled it. It says everything cleaner. That's what she labeled. I'm going to make a separate one. I think the measurements might be different for glass. I did use them and it looked fine, so maybe not, but I thought I had seen online that they did. So you can use as an all-purpose spray. Use 1 tablespoon per quart of water. So I halved that because this was like 16 ounces, something like that. So you just I put a half tablespoon in there, water, shake it up. I shake it up every time. Spray it. It works on my granite. You want to test it. They always say, always test it in a spot. I didn't test it. I didn't test it in an inconspicuous spot. I tested it right on top. But granite, my sealed wood, and you can see online, I'll link something to show you all the things you can do and what kind of surfaces it's supposed to be okay for. So effective yet mild, 2 times more concentrated than traditional detergents. They use essential oils, so it has a very faint scent. I thought it'd be stronger. It's like pine. They have what? Pine, Siberian fir, pine, spruce, something, I don't know. It smells like a tree, except it's really not strong at all. Animal compassionate and vegan, ingredients disclosed and described. So you can put it in the laundry, you can put it in your dishes, you can do mopping with it. Forget that Swiffer Wet Jet. You can wash your fruit and veggies with. I actually just bought an Arm & Hammer, oh my gosh, I can't think of the word, baking soda spray for fruits and vegetables, but after that's gone, I can do this. It's so much cheaper. Do you know how long this chug-a-lug is going to last? If you only use half a tablespoon for 16 ounce. Wash hard and soft surfaces. Carpets, technically I might be able to get rid of that Folex, but I want to test it out first. So I'll wait for a stand to appear, which could be any day. Stone, wood, glass, stainless steel, anything that can get wet. Sounds good to me. And it's cheap. But I would love to hear, what do you use to clean? And if you don't have a multi-surface cleaner to make your life easier, go click that link and get the SAL SUDS. It's biodegradable. Alright, you guys, hope you enjoyed this little kind of a mini declutter, but also a little informational. I will be doing more declutters. I'm trying to do them every week. Life's been a little crazy. It happens, but yes, I will try to do them every week. That is my goal. So thumbs up if you like these videos. Say hello in the comments. Say you love these videos in the comments so I know. And if you don't know, I am a life coach if you're looking for someone to coach you through all of your cleansers now. If you're just feeling stuck in your life, or you feel like you want more for yourself, or you're overwhelmed, or you don't know how to balance your life, reach out to me. I will put a link to my website and how you can work with me. My clients get results quickly. We do a lot of work, but it's fun. You're working with me, so it's fun, but it's real effective work at the same time. So yes, if you didn't know, I am a life coach, And I help with career stuff too. I've helped a lot of my clients start their own businesses from whatever passion or side hustle they have. Since I'm a businesswoman myself, I've been through a lot of it, so I can help. So I love that part too. So if you're looking for business end of things too, hit me up. I will put my email there too. So if you just want to say hi, drop a line, say hello, tell me about yourself. If you're new, definitely say hi and hit the subscription bell. And make sure the notification bell is on so you can see every time I upload a video. It'll give you a notification. You can be like, oh, there's that crazy lady decluttering and doing all the things. Hopefully the lighting will be a little better in the next video. I'm in this awful yellow light in my laundry room. It looks like, reminds me of school, like fluorescent lights. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a blessed day and week and month and year and century. And I will talk to you soon. Don't forget your deuces.